Welcome back to Yummy Cooking with Joy. It's Easter time, and today I am making an Easter bun, a regular tradition during this time for Jamaicans. I have made this recipe a few times, and each time it gets better and better. So go ahead and enjoy the video. My saucepan is on medium heat. I'm using 2 tablespoons virgin coconut oil. You can use butter. I'm also using 1 bottle of Guinness Stout. You can also use Dragon Stout, but I would use a bottle and a half. This is on low heat. It's going to stay there for 2 to 3 minutes. I don't want to boil this. I just want to make sure it's warm. This way it can dissolve my jam, my browning, my sugar, all that goodness. I'm using 1 egg, and I'm going to take the white part out. I think we call that the eye. I'm also going to add a drip of lemon juice. Don't worry, I'm going to take out the seeds. Mix that for a few seconds and just pour that in. And make sure your liquid is not hot. At this point, it should be tepid. It should be warm. Lemon zest and orange zest. Oh my goodness! I mixed this together. This gave the bun such a great taste. Oh my goodness, so good, so yummy. And just move that aside because you want to make sure that's cool before you add that to your flour mixture. Let's start our flour mixture. You want to make sure you season that well with all the spices because this is what's going to give your bun such a great flavor. And let's sieve that through. This is going to get rid of any extra lumps that you have in your flour. And I'm also using 1/2 cup of raisin and a few cherries. I had this soak for a couple of weeks. It's just a cup of red wine, sweet, and a cup of raisin. And just mix that well. Add your liquid a little bit at a time. Now, if you want more browning, you can add it in, but I like my bun this color, and too much browning to me makes it a little bitter. But again, if you want a darker color, by all means, go ahead and add it in. I'm greasing my pan with coconut oil. You can use butter, you can spray, whatever you have, that's fine. I'm going to put a little parchment paper in there and also okay, there you go. I'm doing that again. And I'm going to pour this in, and I'm going to add extra cherries. Now, this is optional. You don't have to if you don't want it. I just like the cherries in it, and I like the look. And I'm going to bake this 350 degrees for an hour. And if you have leftover liquid, I meant to tell you, go ahead and take 2 teaspoons out or tablespoon before you add in your egg, and you can use this to glaze your bun. If you don't have it, you can use a teaspoon of jam, teaspoon of coconut oil, and honey or butter, and this works perfect. Let your bun cool down for a few hours before you cut it. We ended up cutting ours the next day, so we didn't cut ours till the next day, so that was even better. And whatever you want to have with this, you can. You can have cheese, you can have avocados, you can put butter on it, you can put some jam on it. I like mine with avocado. Enjoy and happy Easter.